Every day many people want to learn English. They watch videos. They download apps. They start and then they stop. Not because English is hard, but because they think they must be perfect. Let me tell you something important. You do not need perfect English to speak. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone is speaking English with mistakes, and people still understand them. English is not about being perfect. English is about being understood. When you were a child, you did not speak perfectly. You made mistakes. You repeated words. You learned slowly. Learning English is the same. If you wait until you are ready, you will wait forever. Start with simple sentences. I am tired. I want to learn. Today was hard. These sentences are small, but they are powerful. Many learners stop because they compare themselves. They see fluent speakers and feel bad. But remember this. You are not late. You are not stupid. You are learning. Every word you understand is progress. Every sentence you try to say is courage. Do not quit because you are slow. Slow progress is still progress. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep going. One day you will understand more than you expect. And you will say, I didn't quit. That is how English is learned.